We're starting off 2021 with some homemade chocolate. To make chocolate at home, you need the following ingredients. You need some cacao nibs, sugar, butter, and some milk powder if you're making milk chocolate. You also need this melanger. This melanger really helps grind out the beans. The first step is to warm up the cacao butter. Place it in the melanger, and then slowly start to add the nibs. As the nibs grind, they will turn into a nice paste, but after a few hours, they should be fluid and flowing. After a couple hours, you will start to see that the oil has released from the beans, allowing the chocolate to flow. Now we start to add the milk powder and the sugar. After 24 hours, you have some wonderful chocolate. And now it's time to temper. Once we have successfully tempered the chocolate, we will pour them into the molds and let them harden. And there you go, a perfect bar of milk chocolate. I hope you enjoyed this video.